So in the second part of this video, you'll see how where to set the board up. But first we need to look up the Tem6 install manual. So what we do is we go to Google, Tem6 install manual. First one is installer guide. Hit that, there's your installer guide. You scroll down to the blower settings. Here's our blower settings. What we need to do is, what we're working on is a Tem6 AOC 48 4-ton. And as you can see, it was originally set up as a 5-ton normal, off, 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 off. What we need to do is set it for a 4-ton normal, on, off, off, off. So that will, depending on your static, we will get a lower blower speed than we should. And then you'll see in the second part of this video, I will show you where on the board to set them and how to look for a wet cabinet. So in today's lesson, we're going to look at why units get wet. This has already been relined and it's still getting wet. I dried out the pan, did not see any cracks. I took several pictures. I added water. It does look like water comes out of the little holes where the screws go in, but I don't know if that's from the pressure of the water in the pan pushing down the wet lining. But one thing I noticed is the motor is wet. So that makes me wonder if water is blowing off. One quick way to check a few things is to do your setup. The setup 1 through 8. And 1 was down, 2 was down, 3 was down, and 4 was down. That is your blower speed. Set up per ton. So if you go to the Tem6 install manual, you can Google it. You go down to the blower settings and you look at Tem6 AOC 48. This is a 4-ton unit. You go down to 4-ton. Has low, medium, high. Well, nobody set this up because it comes from the factory. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in the off position. So that's a 5-ton normal speed, which is about 700 CFMs. Too much. If you look at the 4-speed normal, not low or high, 1 is up, 2 is down, 3 is down, 4 is down. 6 and 7 is for fan delay, and 5 is 6 for heat. Those are set up properly. So I went from 1 down to 1 up to get it to 4-ton normal, which is about 339 CFM per ton. I think it comes out to like 14 something. That was probably the reason why we have tons of water in here. That is all for today.